Hey folks, how are you? This is Matt. I am going to be deodorizing this home. Actually, I already started, but what a lovely little Airbnb it is. But somebody smoked in here. They had luckily they had a tenant that had a 2-month stay, which is a great booking for an Airbnb. But unfortunately, the consequence was that the people smoked in here. Now this has what I like about this is it kind of speaks to me. It's got like a little bit of an old world flair, maybe a little mid-century modern touch going on. Unfortunately, everything smells. I already serviced this room right here, and it already doesn't smell like tobacco anymore. And as you can see from the light, if you can see that, it's got a little bit of that tobacco resin that got in there because ceiling fans they tend to draw the air in through those vents, and then they basically become odor magnets. So I'm gonna wipe that down and get rid of that residue. But if you need to do a car or a home, give me a call. My name is Matt. I can do that for you. I'm at 954-589-3083, and I'd be happy to help you out in any way that I can. Thank you very much, folks.